how to buy Ivanka Tron token. So this token came under the symbol of Ivanka. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, as you can see, this token is increased by 200% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's mean your investment in a safe place now to be able to buy this token. And before that, this token is trending number 7. So copy the token address, open your fund to manage for that. Click on swap here. And make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address as you can see. And now click on your token here. Now after that, type how much you want to buy. Now as you can see here, you will be able to see how much you receive. After that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all valid information here. And after that, click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face an issue, just go back to this page and switch the slip hash from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slip hash. And after that, you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Ivanka token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.